Assalamu alaikum friends, today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy M40. Hope you will enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe at this channel and make sure you also subscribe my official channel, link in the description. Let's start this video. So friends, Samsung yet again to launch Galaxy M40, that is basically the mid-range handset. Through all the focus are diverted to the Fold, still the company give importance to the medium budget customers. This new upcoming medium range Samsung Galaxy M40 will coming to the market with high-end specifications as compared to the M series handset like M10, M20 and M30. The company has been working on to launch Samsung's Galaxy M40 since last November 2018 when it's first leaked out. The specification, especially the internal storage, look very promising. The handset will run on Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. That is one of the latest operating system. Samsung M40 is powered by Exynos 7904. This is one of the powerful chipset that support high-end speed. The system on chip of the device is paired with 6 GB of RAM that is responsible to multitasking of the Galaxy M40 by Samsung. There could be a 5000 mAh battery. Well, nowadays most of the tech giants seem to work hard on the capacity of the battery of every handset. This amazing battery of upcoming Samsung M40 will give you ample power time to remain your screen on for most of the time without any interruption. The Super AMOLED display screen will give you high resolution. Samsung Galaxy's M40 will come equipped with 128 GB of internal storage that will provide you an enhanced option to store a lot of data for a long duration. Samsung Galaxy M40 will one of the latest one and high-end smartphone of M series. If you are in search of quality handsets with a reasonable price, then the brand new smartphone Galaxy M40s will a good handset to have. It offers you a powerful chipset, a huge amount of memory and high processing speed.